I'm super excited because Nama's biggest sale starts today. Save up to $120. Enjoy savings on the J1, J3, and C2. Save $60 when you buy the Nama J1 cold press juicer. Save $65 when you buy Nama's J3 hands-free cold press juicer. Its compact size is perfect for travel and is a space saver. And save $120 when you buy the Nama C2 cold press juicer and blender all in one machine. Shop Nama's annual sale and make fresh, nutritious juices and smoothies as part of your daily routine. Be sure to use discount code VeRAWonica, BFCM, when checking out. Have a raw amazing day.